Hello YouTube gardeners. Well, you can see that my tomato seedlings have graduated into their larger containers. And these guys are going to stay in this size container until they go into the soil, which is really just right around the corner. But they're looking absolutely beautiful. I even have some tree collards here. And then all under there are more tomatoes and peppers. Lots of beautiful seedlings growing. Let's see how these guys are doing. Looking beautiful. They grow so fast at this point. You can see here that these were started at the end of January, and here we are almost mid-March. So we're looking at about 6 weeks worth of growth here. Looks like I got a little strawberry runner popping up. The strawberries are already starting. Look at that. I love spring. All right, so this video is part 2 in planting and growing big peppers, chilies, and tomatoes. I have most of the tomatoes graduated into their larger containers already, but I have a couple more that I need to get moved up, and the tomatillos. Okay, here's the little greenhouse with the tomatillos and cucumbers. I've got some chilies in here too. And you're gonna see that the tomatillos are past due to get into their containers. They need some nutrients really badly. So they need to graduate today. Get them in their own containers with some nutrient-rich soil. I'm gonna add some powdered eggshells and some worm castings, and then get them fed with a nice diluted worm tea, and they're gonna bounce right back. These cucumbers have become my favorite that I've ever grown. I grew them last season for the first time. They are terrific. I'm gonna share the seed information with you guys in an upcoming video. Okay, so time to get the tomatillo seedlings into their graduated containers, and I'm going to thin them down to 1 plant per container, and I'm going to bury them pretty deep because these little hairs, just like the tomatoes, will grow roots. So you can bury your tomatillos under the soil even up to about 2/3 of the plant. So I'm going to get that done, and only about the top couple inches are going to be sticking out. And get them a deep water of some diluted worm tea, and I'm also going to put a little bit of Epsom salt in that water as well. A bunch of these tomato seedlings were also suffering from a nutrient deficiency, and as soon as I got them fed, they really bounced back. Look how great they're doing now. So it's really important that they get the nutrients required to be healthy plants while they're still in their containers. And the next step is going to be getting them transplanted into their permanent locations. So hit the subscribe button for part 3, transplanting the seedlings into their permanent locations. That's it for now. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend and enjoy your garden.